Hello, welcome back to the nail plate. So I had my nails obviously stuck on long. I snipped them. I'm doing almond today. Yes. So I cut the sides. You can see on the last two. I'm going to show you how I actually get the almond shape. I think at this point I am just going to buy all of Misu's colors because they are so good. I'm happy with this application. Maybe a little bit neater on the cuticle area and maybe a little bit better with the shaping on the middle finger. But most of the bits that you see me picking at and things like that is actually kind of on my skin, which realistically I can get off. So I decided to go bright. I've gone in with dark and rose. I love this pink. Look at it. Oh, it's just so rich. And I'm doing like a pop art effect. It's very easy to do this style. I feel like you don't need to be creative. You don't need to have a steady hand. Literally 2 semicircles anywhere on the nail. And if your base color is like quite a strong solid color, like obviously contrasting wise, this will always look nice. So will I be repeating this nail when it's sunny and England is not grey? Yes. I don't know if it's just me, but even though I like this design, I know if I did it again I would have to do it on square nails or coffin nails, because almond for me, if it's not a natural nude, is just such a elderly shape. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah. All of this stuff I'm doing right now is absolutely unnecessary. I thought it needed a touch up and then I messed it up. So then I had to touch up what I thought I needed to touch up because I touched it up wrong. Yes, that is a lot of touch ups, but you understand what I meant. So this is before the top coat. I think it's clearer here that my pinky application could have been better, but from a distance it actually looks okay. So I'm going with the top gel coat from DNC. I don't know, but you saw the name. I have even missed it there. Yeah, just putting on a top coat of now. Do I really need to be speaking over this? No, I'm gonna shut up. So this is my finished look. I'm happy with these nails. I would prefer a square shape or a coffin shape, but it's cute. I'll show you without flash now. Let me know what you think of these nails in the comments below, and whilst you're there, you might as well like and subscribe to my channel.